To get rid of cold or cough, you need to supercharge your choice in the kitchen for a few days. Look to protein-rich staples like Greek yogurt, chickpeas, seeds, chicken and eggs to fuel your immune system when you are experiencing a loss of appetite. Often during a bacterial cold and cough, doctors recommend an increase in the intake of water. Apart from being a winter warmer, tomato soup is extremely rich in vitamin C, which helps to reduce the excess formation of mucus during bronchitis. When you are recovering from cold or flu and don't have much energy, eggs are probably about the easiest and fastest food to wipe together. Make sure to keep the yolks in, that's where the vitamin D is. Eggs also contain zinc and mineral that helps to keep your immune system kicking. Raw garlic, one of the natural remedies to fend off seasonal ailments, it relieves congestion and cures cold. Roast a clove or garlic and have it with a spoon of honey before going to bed. This provides you relief against cough. Honey is a time-honored remedy for a sore throat. According to certain studies, it can also relieve coughs more effectively than over-the-counter medicines that contain dextromethorphan. The honey does the smoothing while the lemon juice can help with congestion. According to health experts, onion can cure cold, cough, high fever, sore throat and boost immunity. Onions can be used as an effective home remedy to cure cough. Most dry coughs can be treated at home with OTC medicines like cough suppressants and throat lozenges. There are also several home remedies that helps to prevent healing, such as adding moisture to the air with a humidifier or gargling with salt water. So eat this food to get relief from dry cough. If you like this video, share it to your friends and family members and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.